looking at some hidden stuff for flags, and usually I will just really color everything up. This can really help you to keep track of where the different glyphs are without having to keep some other form of tracking. So some hidden things with that, when you push this arrow down here, it allows you to choose whatever color, and I think this might be for Mac only. You can, no, this one you should be able to do for either system. You can choose what color you want down here. So some other things you can do is you can type in the actual name of the color, like red, and then go down to the flag. So then, oh, let's hide the other stuff. So we'll just show the red things. Cyan. Okay, then that's going to show you everything that's labeled in cyan. Another thing that's even faster than that is to just find the, if you already are on the color that you're looking for, say these greens, if you push this little arrow here, that puts it in the search, push enter, and now you have all your greens. So those are some hidden things with flags.